tonight I'm going to start off by giving you some koans. A koan's a question or a statement that tests the limit of our knowledge, our logical reasoning, and even our thinking. Everything we know is contained within the universe. But what is the universe contained in? What holds the universe? We say that the universe is composed of matter, but what is matter? Is it just molecules, atoms, and particles that make up everything? If so, what's in between the particles? Is it a vacuum, a void, or a field? What do we call this space? This void of space makes up the vast majority of the volume of our universe, but I don't even think we have a specific name for it. What do we even call something that appears to be nothing? I did a little bit of research about this on the science and physics of the universe, and I couldn't find a specific name for this void. So for the purpose of this talk, I'm just going to call it emptiness. Emptiness is the space that contains everything. You could think of it as a void, or perhaps even a substance or field in which everything in the universe exists. The point I'm trying to make is that this emptiness completely transcends the words we have. So how can you even begin to understand what it is? You might be wondering what this has to do with Zen. Well, Zen is a practice of studying the Dharma, and Dharma is the truth inherent in nature. So understanding the true nature of our reality can help us understand the true nature of ourselves. Zen practice can help us find the answers to these types of questions and koans. So how can you do this? The answer we're looking for is beyond our words, beyond our logic, and beyond our ability to comprehend in a rational way. It's beyond the reach of our thinking and our ability to intellectually understand. So how can you even begin to understand what emptiness is? This is the purpose of Zen meditation practice. We're trying to experience this emptiness. We do this by putting down and letting go of all of our thinking. This means letting go of your feelings, your emotions, your opinions, and desires. Let go of every idea you've ever had about anything, including the very concept of yourself, until there's absolutely nothing left, until all that remains is emptiness. At that point, there's no concept of you or I or anything else, just emptiness. When all of these conceptual boundaries are gone, there's nothing left except emptiness. Then you're one with the emptiness. When you reach that point, you'll know the answer to all these koans. Then you'll understand 100% what I've been trying to explain with my words. In Zen Buddhism, reaching this state that transcends all words is what we call attaining enlightenment. This is ultimately why we practice meditation. We're trying to reach this state of being. In truth, there's actually nowhere to go. You're already there. But without enlightenment, it's like being in a room with the lights off. Your mind is dark because your thoughts are blocking the light. It's impossible to fully understand where you are as long as you're in the dark. Your thinking is getting in the way. So you have to clear out your mind of all of your thoughts so the light can shine through. Then you can see clearly. So with that said, let's meditate together so we can clear our minds. But first, plant this seed in your mind and ask yourself, what is the emptiness that holds everything, is within everything, and is connecting everything that exists? Now let's seek the answer that lies within us by letting go of our thinking and meditating.